Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor, and today I have Zep Multipurpose Pine Cleaner, Powerful Pine Oil Formula. I did a bit of research and I found that they state it has equal to or greater than 1% and less than 5% pine oil. So it's got some in there. This was, I was not too sure about this product, but it exceeded my expectations. It's got a sweet pine aroma, medium to strong. It's not super strong like some of the other stuff with like 25-30% plus pine oil in it, but it's pretty darn good. How about let's go over to the cloud cam and see what's going on over there. Oh hey, over at the cloud cam, I'm going to do 1/8 cup per gallon of hot water. Will it cloud? That is the question. Kind of got a haze, but not the thunderous clouds that we typically get from pine cleaners with pine oil. Getting that nice sweet pine scent. So I guess we'll go back over to the floor cam and see what's happening. Get started mopping. As usual, I'll go over the floor twice. And for the second time. Looking good over here. As a side note, what do y'all think about my new microphones? Is my sound improved? I haven't heard any feedback so far as I've been experimenting with that, so I guess I'll take no news as good news. But yeah, that did a good job cleaning the floor. That Zep. Got a little suds now. Here's a look afterward. Got the suds and then got some darker water than I started with. So that's a good sign as well, that it's picking up some dirt. Once again, this has been cleaning the floor with the Zep Concentrated Multipurpose Pine Cleaner with real pine oil and a fresh pine scent. Very good product for the price. Thank you for watching.